Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Just a reminder, your APA research project draft is due December 4th via email to me. I wanted to take some time really quickly and just talk about the course schedule. I had to make an adjustment to the course schedule due to the fact that I had the holiday listed wrong, which is a benefit to you because it's going to give you an extra week for your APA paper, which is, I think, going to be really, really cool. So sorry about opening up all this stuff. From the perspective of where we're at now, let's look at week number 9, right? So we're on week number 9 now, which, the formatting's off a little bit. It's because I have a Mac. If you open it up in Word, it should be a little bit better. But when we jump to week 10, we're going to talk a little bit more about applying written communication skills, chapter 17 and 18, get to week 11. Right, APA is going to continue a bit more. But when we finish with week 11, we don't jump into week 12 until after the first of the year. Your APA paper, instead of being due on this day, is actually due on the 8th. So your APA assignment is going to be due on the 8th. That includes a presentation as well, and there'll be more information coming about that, especially in week 12. So that gives you a little bit of time, and I wanted to make sure you're aware of that before jumping into this week's review. This is a little bit early, a day early, because we're on week 10 now. Week 9 did not have an actual course content section. So, of course, you still need to make sure that you send me your research draft by Sunday. But week 10 is about communication in the workplace, professional emails, stuff like that. I have another Simon Sinek video, which is talking about effective communication. I think it's pretty good. But from the perspective of a lecture, you do have a lecture number 9, week 10, that you need to look at. Effective communication in the workplace happens in a variety of different ways, which I think is really, really important. If you don't communicate effectively in the workplace, it's going to be hard to continue to retain a position. Not to retain, but also to keep, right? So make sure you take your time in reviewing this material. You also have week 9 review, which is going to be due a week from this Sunday. So, of course, you have your original post and then your reply posts, which are due. So the original post would be due by the 7th, and then the reply would be due on the 11th. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're nearing really closely to break. So we're nearing break. I hope you feel rejuvenated after we get through with break, but we don't have too much terribly left. So I'm looking forward to some effective drafts coming my way and reading your reviews as they come through as well. You're all doing a really great job, and I appreciate all your effort. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for all you're doing.